Hi, welcome. We have just updated this VirtualBox to the very last end. So all the changes in names and all that the video that we've made online on YouTube is been dealt with. So everything is online. But there's a question on the forum, ArcoLinuxforum.com. That's where you can put your technical stuff. And it says, I want to watch Netflix on Firefox, and there seems to be a problem. So let's investigate together. So first we need to have the website. Secondly, we need to sign in. So let me sign in first and I'll come back. So I've logged in, and this is what you see when you log in, when you choose your profile. And one of the things that is now advertised is Jumanji. Let's try to see if it works. And then it says there is a problem with Firefox. You cannot play Firefox. What should you do? Probably Google these things and all that. Control C and go the last version of Firefox. Control Super C is or Conky. That's what you just saw flashing up and then down. So there's some information regarding some download links, preferences. Don't see anywhere a solution. The solution is, well, first take another wallpaper, and second, Ctrl-Alt-T, yay, and then Firefox maybe, and then Whitevine. Let's see if this brings anything. Nope, then it's just Whitevine. Fine, let's see what we get. So this is a plugin that we use to have Netflix support on Vivaldi. It's already there for Chromium. Chromium no extras, Whitevine without then, right? So basically there's no right way to do it for Firefox, it seems, for the moment. So Netflix, well, let's go for ArcoLinux. That's how I start my sentences. ArcoLinux, Firefox, Netflix. Okay, oops, that's something wrong. Netflix is better. Now we have here an Arch Wiki, Firefox, tweaks, Control Find, Netflix. Not in here. Here it is, Netflix is in here. See Firefox, tweaks, okay, so we click on this link. And then we are enable additional media codecs. In the About config, and check the following options. Alright, Whitevine is digital rights management tool that Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and others use to protect their video content. Check that the play DRM content option under content preference. Okay. Preferences. Let's see, where can we find this thing? Privacy. Let's just do DRM up here, DRM. Okay, it was not activated. Let's kill Firefox again, open it again. Go for Netflix. Let's see what happens. And let's play this thing. Basically, that was the only thing we needed to do. So this is how you analyze, and I think for me, then to learn people to analyze is for me more important than the solution. Providing a solution, yeah, click here, click there, but finding the solution is more self-reliant, and that's what we like to promote on ArcoLinux. All right, enjoy.